In Revit 2022, you are able to preserve callouts when deleting parent views. The callout view is able to be switched between the parent view and all intersecting views. The callout views can be hidden by the Hide Scales Coarser Than setting from the Properties palette. Setting the parent view to none will make the callout independent for the parent view. Callouts without a parent view are visible in intersecting views. Dependent callout views are preserved when the parent view is deleted. You are asked if you would like to make callout views independent or delete the callout view. With Revit 2022, there is an option to make callouts independent and preserve callouts when deleting parent views.